Don't get me in there.
Too late.
Move then.
No. All right, what am I doing?
Pick it up. Go ahead and grab the blue part.
Blue part?
Big blue ribbon.
Bless you.
It's in tight.
Okay. Put it on the table. You're going to grab what else is in that brown box.
Screwdriver.
I'm going to do this for you right here.
Yeah.
There you go. He helped.
You got to unscrew every one of them.
Huh?
Have fun.
Oh, you gave me a headache. Do they stay in here or take them all out?
You got to take them all out.
Every last one.
Oh, you went through this?
I
No,
watched them.
I'm the one that had to put it together.
Lord.
What about you, Lord?
You can put it in the. You can put the screws in the box, the brown box.
Yeah, I think it's loose. You've been screwing the same screw for like, I don't know. Just been screwing around.
I'm going to be here till next week.
No, my other grandmother did it and she did it with one hand.
Do I have to take out the ones down in here too?
Yes, you did.
Oh. Only you, John. Only you.
Hey, Grandma.
and
don't
you.
Who do you think gave me the idea?
I wouldn't put it past. I wouldn't put it past him. I hope you got enough film in there.
I got more than enough memory. I got a few gigs.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
You're driving me nuts, Jim. Or John, Joe, Jake, Fred, Aloysius.
I'm in the recreation. I'm still getting caught hot shot.
Too many J's in the family. Tell you the truth, I named your dad after my two brothers.
Yeah, payback.
Where's your I would have gotten down there myself.
Screw it's under the table.
Near her foot.
Well, this is what you get for giving me something like this.
Uh-huh.
Did you go in the box?
Yeah, it did.
Do I have to all these buttons
Yes.
here just to find out what's inside?
Yes. You lift the lid off.
Huh?
You throw that lid in the box.
Seriously?
You can throw the lid in the box there.
Huh?
For the lid that you just took off in the box.
Okay, here we go. On the side.
Yeah, it's easier when you do it on the side.
Do you think I'm putting these all back together again? You're crazy.
I don't know what you're complaining about. I'm the one that had to put it all together.
Well, you're putting it together again.
Yeah, you want to tell who my next contestant I'm doing it to?
Our cousin Logan.
Huh?
Our cousin Logan.
Really?
Brett's son.
Yeah.
He's next.
My arms are tired.
How the hell do you think?
Where?
How the hell do you think I feel? I had to put the damn thing together.
Well, that's your headache. You had to get something stupid like this for me. But then it always does. You always did do this.
Why would I make things easy?
I'd love to have your brother here seeing this. He'd probably get the biggest charge out of it.
Don't worry, I'll show him. lay it down. Lay it down.
You've got to be kidding me!
She got the second part done.
You've got to be kidding me! I'm gonna hit you in the head.
Happy birthday!
Come here, smack you one. You're gonna be here all night. Why do I tell Jim what you did?
You don't have
Tell me there's another one in here that I have to open up.
baby.
There's no maybes about it, I know. And your mother went through this?
Hey, look on the bright side.
Yeah.
You got two hands. She had one.
I feel sorry for breaking her hand. Whatever it was.
Yeah. I'm glad it's not the exploding one.
I got a suggestion. When your brother's birthday comes up next year, I want you to get one of these.
No, that'd be rather difficult. He'll know it's coming.
Yeah.
Yep.
We're gonna blame Johnny and Jim with that.
Lay it on the green side.
Huh?
Lay it flat on the green side. Pick. No.
Oh, $25 gift certificate. Thank you.
And what else is in there?
Suckers.
We had to sweeten you up some way or another.
Well, I can't use the sugar. I appreciate it, but I can't use the sugar.
Okay.
We'll keep them, and when your sugar goes down the toilet, you can use them.
There
There you go.
That's when I do use it because I have, you know what I have out there?